At Signify, we see the powerful role light plays in fighting the climate crisis. Time is ticking, but by adopting proven light innovations, we can all contribute to a brighter future. For most towns and cities, public lighting alone accounts for 40 to 50% of energy usage. Switching from conventional lighting to smart LEDs can reduce this figure by up to 80%. That's just one way Signify's lighting can help us tackle the climate crisis. LED light recipes will help us feed our communities more sustainably by reducing the distance between farm and fork, and enables us to predictively produce more food with less resources. Adopting circular lighting products, systems, and service models prolongs lifetime, preserves value, and avoids waste by reusing and repurposing materials. Solar streetlights can take major strain off the grid by leveraging our most reliable energy source, the sun. Connected smart lighting systems deployed across cities can free up enough energy to power clean transport networks and will help buildings drastically cut down on emissions, paving the way to decarbonization. Together, we can light the way to a greener, smarter, more prosperous world.